For years, we dreamed of robot butlers and flying cars. At CES 2026, it finally felt real. This wasn't just another tech show with smarter fridges. This was the year humanoid robots truly arrived. Gone are the days of clunky robots shuffling across a stage. The class of 2026 can walk, run, and even do a backflip. Their hands are delicate enough to handle an egg, and their brains are sharp enough to navigate a messy living room. The atmosphere in Vegas was electric. Every major robotics company was there, showing off machines that looked ready for real homes. The conversation had shifted, not if, but when these robots would enter our lives. The focus now is on robots that can understand and interact with the unpredictable world of a typical home. This was the graduation ceremony for humanoid robots, no longer just factory workers, but future household helpers. The prototypes weren't just strong or fast, they were smart. They navigated clutter, picked up unfamiliar objects, and responded to commands in real time. This wasn't a small step, it was a giant leap into a future that's finally arrived. The robots are here, and they're ready for their first real job, helping us at home. Welcome to the new era. What makes these new robots so clever? The answer: physical AI. For years, AI was just brains in a box, good at chess, bad at picking up socks. Physical AI gives that brain a body, letting it see, touch, and move in the real world. Imagine the difference between a map expert and a taxi driver who can react to real traffic. That's physical AI robots that perceive, decide, and act instantly. Your home is messy and unpredictable. Old robots would get stuck or make a mess. Physical AI robots see the dog, avoid the mug, and tidy up without 1,000 lines of code. They use cameras and sensors to identify objects, then figure out where things belong. They learn, adapt, and solve problems. Exactly what you want in a home helper. This is the leap from mindless automation to true assistance. The age of the helpful robot has begun. Now, let's meet the robots stealing the show. Boston Dynamics Atlas is no longer just a viral video star. It's a commercial powerhouse, strong and agile, ready for real work. Unitree's H2 wowed with backflips and dexterous hands, but the G1 is the real game changer. Smaller, affordable, and designed for your living room. Agibot's G2 showed what mass production looks like. Thousands shipped last year, with features like 360-degree vision and hours of battery life. This isn't a niche anymore. It's an industry on the verge of going mainstream. Smaller players like Agility Robotics and Mentee Robotics impressed with robots that can recover from falls and learn from each other. Imagine one robot figuring out a tricky task and instantly teaching the rest. The combination of powerful hardware and clever software is accelerating progress. Competition is fierce, and that means better robots for all of us. The future isn't just coming, it's being built right now. These machines aren't just for factories, they're coming home. The stars of CES 2026 are ready for their close-up. The revolution is underway. The only question, which one will you choose? The age of the home robot is here. How do these robots actually understand the world? It's all about advanced sensing. Diamond Robotics fingertip sensors let robots distinguish between a book and a wine glass, or handle an eggshell without breaking it. Their Vision Tactile Language Action Model combines sight, touch, and language to decide what to do. Robots can fold jumpers, work in the dark, and respond to spoken commands. New sensors from companies like Bosch mean robots react almost instantly, vital for fast, complex tasks. 360-degree cameras eliminate blind spots, giving robots a complete view of their surroundings. But data is useless without a brain. Today's robots learn by watching humans, getting feedback, or being guided remotely. ETH Zurich's navigation systems help robots find their way through real cluttered homes. Sensitive skin, sharp eyes, and fast-learning brains, that's the secret sauce. This is what makes them truly capable. Until now, humanoid robots lived on factory floors, structured, predictable, repetitive. Factories were the perfect training ground, but homes are a whole new challenge. The next leap is bringing robots into our chaotic, cluttered living spaces. Robots like Unitree's G1 are designed for this migration, safer, quieter, and built for domestic life. Companies know the real prize is the consumer market, robots in every home. They're using factory experience to build AI brains that understand sofas, dishwashers, and even why the cat shouldn't go in the washing machine. The UK is a prime destination. Tech-savvy, aging, and ready for in-home help. The groundwork is laid. Robots have proven themselves in industry. Now, with smarter AI and sensors, they're ready for Britain's kitchens and living rooms. The migration from factory to front door is happening now. The first wave is coming. Get ready to welcome your new mechanical housemate. So, what will these robots actually do? This is about real help, not party tricks. Cleaning is a big one. Robots that vacuum, wipe surfaces, tidy clutter, and empty their own bins. Laundry, robots can now fold clothes, sort colors, and load the washing machine, thanks to sensitive hands and smart AI. For the elderly or disabled, robots could mean true independence, fetching items, opening doors, reminding about medication. Systems like the Waffle robotic feeder already help people eat on their own. Robots could be kitchen assistants, security guards, or even help with childcare, fetching toys or monitoring a sleeping baby. Once you have a mobile, intelligent machine with two hands, the list of useful tasks is nearly endless. These aren't just gadgets. They're practical helpers. The potential to change daily life is enormous. The future of chores is about to get a lot easier. The robot revolution is practical, not just futuristic, and it's starting now. It won't be easy. Real homes are chaotic, not like tidy labs. The biggest challenge is dealing with unpredictable mess, what engineers call an unstructured environment. Robots must navigate toys, pets, and misplaced remotes, all while avoiding disaster. Manipulation is tough. Picking up a tomato, a key, or a wine glass all require different grips. Programming for every object is impossible. That's where new tech shines. Advanced AI lets robots build mental maps and update them in real time. Like you walk in the February, you walk in Necro dice. But you walk in a fur black and sire. Walk to your house in the dark, robots now develop an intuitive sense of space. Physical AI and tactile sensing let them adapt their grip for new objects. They learn general rules. When fragile things need care, heavy things need strength. The challenges are real, but for the first time, we have the tools to solve them. The messy home is no longer a deal breaker. So, when can you actually buy one? Not quite this Christmas, but sooner than you think. The first wave will likely be robots operated remotely by humans, robot as a service. Need a tricky job done? A pro logs in, guides the robot, and the AI learns from every move. Over time, robots will handle more tasks on their own, learning as they go. Fully autonomous home robots could arrive in 5 to 10 years. The Unitree G1 is already shipping to early adopters and developers this year. As hardware gets cheaper and AI gets smarter, prices will drop and capabilities will soar. Progress is snowballing. Each breakthrough accelerates the next. By 2030, having a robot helper at home will be normal, not sci-fi. The question isn't if, but which model you'll choose. The future is arriving fast. When robots become part of daily life, everything changes. At first, we'll marvel at their skills. Soon, they'll be as normal as a dishwasher, just smarter and mobile. For the elderly, they'll mean independence. For everyone, more free time. Big questions remain about jobs, privacy, and security, but the potential is huge. This is a revolution on par with the personal computer or the internet. Robots will get smarter, more dexterous, and more socially aware. They'll learn your habits, integrate with smart homes, and become the hub of your connected life. The journey from factory to front door is happening faster than anyone expected. The age of the robot butler is here, and it's about to make life a whole lot more interesting. I, for one, can't wait.